So this is a list, n is a list. So I can say 10, I will change the values, 20, 30, 40, and 50. These are the values. So I will take this. And here the values will be 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So the 50 will be removed with this statement. Line number 6 will remove 50 from the list. So the resultant list will be 10, 20, 30, and 40. And again, the line number 7 will remove the last element, which is 40. This will be the resultant list will be 10, 20, 30. Now at 0th location, if I look at 0 is, this is the location, 0 is this one, 10 is there. So if I insert 100 at the 0th location, this 10 will move right hand side. So the new value will be 100, new list will be 100, 10, 20, and 30. Now if I print the x value, it will print this 100, 10, 20, 30. And once it is printed, it comes out of the function and next goes to the this one. It goes to line number 13. So the execution begins from here actually. So it executes this statement first, then this one, and then it will go like this and execute all the statements, and it comes out of this and execute this statement. So this will be executed. So now you will get 100, 10, 20, 30 only. So let me execute and see the result.
Okay.
So the original list is this 10, 20, 30, 40. And inside the function, the list is modified and the list is 10, 100, 10, 20, 30. And after function call, the list is 100, 20, 30. N is also the same thing. So what is happening here? We are passing the value by reference. I will show. This is still coming up. Or I will take notepad. So here, what is happening? We have n, and we have the list like this. I will write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. And the function call, if you look at the program, n is positive. So x will take the value of n. So x is also there now. We have x. X is also here. What is happening, in fact, n is pointing to this object. In the function call, x will also pointing to the same object.
Okay.
If I change anything here, that is reflected in n also, because n is also pointing to the same place, same object.
Okay. Okay.
So what is happening in the pop, x dot pop, this will be removed. So it is like this. So n is also pointing to this one, and x is also pointing. And x dot pop again, that is being removed. So it removes this. So still n is pointing to this, and x is also pointing to this. Okay. And I added one more element, 100, and this one. So if I print x, what will happen? It will print this. It is pointing to this. So this is printed. And print n, and this also pointing to this. So this is print. That is why we got the result here. After the function call also, we get the same result.
Yes. I lost you again, actually.
Oh, this is, 1 second, 1 moment. I will change the, I will back up, I will take the back, another one, which is a good, 1 moment. I will disconnect and I will connect again. Okay, quickly.
I actually,
Yeah.
Sure. We'll disconnect and connect again.
Yeah, we'll disconnect. So. I'm ending the meeting.